Let's talk about one other thing, and then I'm gonna flip back over to the other side. There's certain things that all Part D plans do not include. Doesn't matter what Part D plan it is, there just isn't part of the Medicare Part D picture. That would be barbiturates because of the potential for abuse. Benzodiazepines, those are anxiety drugs. Cosmetic drugs and hair loss drugs. Some of us are just out of luck. Fertility drugs. Look, we're all over 65 here, right? Sexual dysfunction, we're not going to talk about it. Vitamins and minerals, even if they're prescribed, they're not covered. A lot of times people get iron, vitamin D, things like that prescribed. It's not covered. Weight loss and weight gain drugs. Now, most of us at this age don't need weight gain drugs, but weight loss comes up every class I do. What about Ozempic? What about Wegovy? Let's talk about that. These are a couple of hot drugs right now. Everybody wants to know about it. It's very popular. These two are part of a family called semaglutides, GLP-1 drugs. And these two in particular, I point out because they're manufactured by the same company called Novo Nordisk. Same stuff, different dosages, but same stuff. But they're labeled differently. So Ozempic is labeled for managing blood sugar. How do you get that? Go to an endocrinologist. They say, your blood sugar is high. We're going to prescribe to you Ozempic. Well, it has this magical side effect of also helping to manage weight. Wegovy is labeled for weight control. Ozempic gets paid. Wegovy does not. So that's the difference between the two. Same stuff. Difference is the label that's on it.